Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgot pin pattern and password. So don't worry at all, watch this video till the end, only then you will be unlock your phone with the proper method. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before revealing this method, there are important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data in your phone may be deleted. And if you're going to use this unlocking method, then at least your phone's battery should be charged 30%, or you can charge your phone at the time of use this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or older videos. And for this you must subscribe to the channel. If your phone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This give us lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. And first of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and watch the video with a cool mind. Okay, watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning the method mentioning in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Now as you know my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. Now you can see my phone's Wi-Fi network has been activated in my phone. So firstly I will have to switch off all the network like telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network. So simply what will I have to do to close the Wi-Fi network? Simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. Sorry. Now you can see here there are lots of key here, but you can see here there is a key of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to click this or activate this airplane mode to close the all network like telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network. So I am going to activate this airplane mode or flight mode. Now you can see my Wi-Fi network has been closed. It means my phone is ready to go with the unlocking method or engineer's unlocking method or master unlocking method. Now one more thing you will have to do before go to the unlocking method, your all the background running application when your phone was not locked, it may be possible some background running application will be activated in your phone. So firstly all the background running application should be closed. So generally it is not possible when your phone is locked. Generally it is not possible to close all the background running application. So there are some secret codes which generated by the service center or other mobiles companies to close the running application when your phone is locked, and you will have to dial this secret code in your emergency call option. Now you can see here there is an option of an emergency call option, and you will have to click on this emergency call option. And when you will click on emergency call option, there is a page of a dialing pad has been appeared in my phone's display. You can see here. Now you will have to feed here a secret code to close the background running application, and recently secret code is star 888 then star 00 then star 00 then star 523 then hash. After feeding this number in your dialing pad, you will have to call on this number. And when you will call on this number, there is a pop-up appeared in my phone. You can see here that is a call failed pop-up. Simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to do this process 3 times continuously like this and like this. Now the 3 times of this process has been done. It means my background running application has been completely closed. Now you will have to simply clear this number like this. Now a USSD code or a secret code what I am going to give you, this secret code used to go to the master unlocking method or engineer's mode to unlock your all pin pattern and password lock. And this USSD code or secret code is star hash 899 then hash. Now you can see after feeding this USSD code, I have been reached to a new page, that's engineer's mode page, or it's also known as master unlocking mode in our service center language. Now you will get there are lots of options on this page. You can see here But in this page you will have to go with the option of a software version. Now you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option you will get a new page with a lots of option on this page. You can see here. Now you can see here the first option is model. It's your phone's model number, so simply you don't have to go with this option. You will have to simply ignore this option. You will also get a second option, that is Android version 12. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 13. So simply you will have to click on your this option. Now you can see my Android version is Android version 12. It means I will have to click on this option 12 times rapidly. If your phone is showing here Android version 13, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 13 times rapidly. So now I will click on this option 12 times rapidly like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now the first step of unlocking method has been done. Now simply I will have to go with the back button. And when I will go with the back button, I will reach to the previous page. Now I will get another option above the software version, that is manual test option. Now I will have to go with this option, and when I will go with this manual test option, I will reach to a new page, that is assembly test project. Now you will also get there are 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page because all the option has the specific function. But in this video I will only give you the technique to unlock your pin pattern and password of your phone. Okay, so simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this until you reach to the option of other. Now you can see here the option of other has been appeared on my phone display, and there are also 5 type of option on this page. You can see here the first option is screen backlight test, the second option is read write important lock test, the third option is key status, and the fourth option is database version, or it's also known as mainboard version. So both have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this option database version on mainboard version 11 times rapidly like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now the second step of unlocking method has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test at the second number. Now you will have to simply go with this option, and when you will click on read write important lock test option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this option. You will have to cancel this option at the first time. Again you will have to click on this read write important lock test. Again you will have to do the cancel, and the third time you will have to do the same. But at the fourth time, when you will click on this read write important lock test option, again you will have to ask to confirm this option, but at the fourth time you will have to confirm this option with the OK button. And now the very last step what I'm going to give you is most important, and this time you will have to be careful and be safe for this process, and every step is very careful to unlock your phone. Otherwise if you are not using this step properly, it means you will have to watch this video again. Okay, so follow the every step properly to unlock your pin pattern and password lock. Now you will have to go slide your phone left side like this until you reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here device debugging option has been appeared on my phone's display. You can see here the first option you can see here, that is a small check a small board match main board option. The second option is fingerprint test, the third option is keypad test, the fourth option is vibration test, and you will see here the sixth option that is a sensor self test and calibration option. Now you will have to go with this option, sensor self test and calibration option, and when you will click on this option you will get a 2 type of option on your phone display, and you will it may be possible your phone will be showing here 3 option or 1 option. So don't worry about this, all the option are showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start this operation by clicking on this option. Okay, and you will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test pass message. Okay, so now I am going to click on these options. You can see here test has been started, the second option test has been started, and I will have to click on both option until I get a second single test passed message. Now you can see here a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone's display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So simply what will I have to do? Simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. You can see here. So now I will have to go with this home button option with my phone. So now you can see my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked without any data loss, because all the applications which were in my phone before my phone was locked as it is as in my phone. It means this trick really works, and all the handset and all the Android phones can be unlocked by this trick. Okay, So if your phone is unlocked with this trick, then do the like this video, and if your phone could not unlock with this video, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will quick response on your comment. Thank you very much. See you in the next video with the next steps.